safety and security announcement. Please take care of units and whether on and off trains as underfoot surfaces may be affected by the weather. Government guidance states public transport.
Hello again, and welcome back to the Glasgow South Model Tram and Rail Group workshops. Today, a friend of mine, Kevin, sent up a Lima Class 47, although it's the Hornby version, and it's actually a class. It's been made up as a Class 57. He's only had it about 2 years, and it was dead. It just all of a sudden stopped working. So he sent it up to me, and as some of the guys on the Facebook pages will already know, having a bit of bother getting the body off this thing. I knew the buffers had to come out. I got them off and still I couldn't, but eventually with their help, showing me how to do it, I managed to get them. Apparently the Lima 47 body was very, very tight fitting, and once I got the body off, I found that one of the wires from the DCC socket running to the motor had come adrift at the motor end. I'll never understand why Hornby use such fine cable inside their locomotives, because this has been a source of quite a few repairs that's come into me and my own locos as well. So I always change it to I think it's 7 strands at 0.2mm per strand to replace these fine wires. They're just far too fine for what they're asked to do. So I'm going to have a wee look at that now I've got it all back together and I've got it on the rolling road. So, and I'll be back in a wee minute. Okay folks, here we are now. We've got the model on the test bed, and we'll just turn on the controller. And you can hear she's running. Looking at the voltmeter, 11 volts. The ammeter, .1, just below 0.1, which is really good for one of these. So upgraded motor. She's a nice looking locomotive, it really is. I like that. And just bring it to a stop. Listen to that crawl. Kevin said that it came as part of a set. I think it's 3 coaches he's got with it. So really, really nice looking loco. Now reverse it. So there you are, Kevin, all back together and running. Okay, Kevin, there she is on the test bed now, going at the clappers. 9 volts. Slow it down now. Now we reverse it. For an old Scotsman like that, Kevin, she's a really good runner. So there we are. Okay, Kevin, hope you're happy with that, and I'll get them back in the next couple of days. Bye the now.
Speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We will sort it, see it, say it, sorted.